Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the table element. The table element allows you to effortlessly create organized, visually appealing tables for product comparisons, pricing lists, or any information you want to present in a structured manner. Here I have a table element on the page, and you can see it is divided into rows and columns. Let's walk through the options the table element has to offer. First, we have a rows option. You can select how many rows of the table. And then you can select how many columns of the table. You can change options for border. You can disable border, adjust border width, border color. If you want the first heading row to have a special style, then you can enable heading row option. And you can change the color like this. You can adjust padding for the table cells right here. Let's say to 16. And see more padding around the cells. You can insert other elements inside the table. Let's say I want to insert a heading here, and I want to make it smaller. I want to center it. Duplicate to the other column. Then here I can insert icon. Adjust the font size. And duplicate to other cells. That is how you can design a simple table. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.